Hello everyone, just want to give you all an update on my Avenger. I do finally have the parts I need to change my oil pan, and I am changing the whole pan because mine is dented, and I could probably knock it back out, but I figured the new one's cheap enough. I figured I might as well just buy a new one. So I got the oil pan gasket, and valve cover gasket, because I figured if I'm doing the oil pan, I might as well do the valve cover because it'll be very easy to change. And got my oil and wicks filter. I only trust wicks filters because the way they're made, they are made very well. They have metal structure inside the filter and do not have, unlike Fram, Wicks has an all metal construction on the inside that actually holds the filter together. Fram has paper, and paper collapses. I personally know somebody who ran a Fram filter, and the filter collapsed and starved their engine of oil and ruined the motor. So I will never use a Fram filter on my stuff. On my Charger, truck, and Avenger, only use Wicks filters. I'm not sponsored by Wicks. I just really like their product, and I use Valvoline in everything I run. Not getting sponsored by Valvoline. I'm not sponsored by anybody right now. But yeah, there's my update on the Avenger. Weather's been a little rainy, and gonna have rain in these next few days. So next few days that we get of dry weather, I will have this video for my Avenger showing the oil pan replacement and all that. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll see you later.